As I was looking, I broke into tears. Ayun, lumuha si Barnabas. Our Lord appeared and said, "My child, listen. I had warned my people that the hour to save is very short, and that the days are numbered. You have seen what will happen to my children who trust in me, my faithful children. That is why I came and gave you the holy chaplet of my precious blood, and promised to save through my precious blood. I will allow a drop of the precious blood to fall on their hearts so that they will get converted before the day of forsaking, the hour of dryness, God's hour of anger." Ayun, I promise also to save sinners who call on my precious blood. Ayun, umiyak si Barnabas at ito ang sabi ng ating Panginoon, "My child, anak ko, makinig. I had warned my people," winard ng kanyang people, "na ang oras upang magligtas ay napakaigsi at ang araw ay bilang na. Nakita mo kung ano ang mangyayari sa aking mga anak na nagtatras sa akin, ang aking faithful children. Kaya ako ay dumating upang ibigay sa iyo ang holy chaplet ng aking precious blood at ang promise na magligtas sa pamamagitan ng precious blood. Ang promise na kung sino rin ang makasalanan na tatawag sa aking precious blood ay kanyang isisave. I will allow